Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Genesis. So guys, this episode starts off with Felicia, Umenga Sepalikoni, and then Gabriel joins her. And then they have a discussion, Yoguti. Gabriel, guys, is actually going on a business trip. He's going on a business trip. The helper has packed his bags. And I'm just like, hey, bo Gabriel, uhamba kanjani nge-weekend enkulu, guys. And Felicia's basically is saying to him, Uguti, I wish Uguti, you didn't have to go on this business trip right now. I mean, umwabo ngalana, ubong ngalana, and then she goes on to ask Gabriel, which ukhulumile nobongo, did you and ubongo have a conversation? Gabriel goes on to say to Felicia, phela ubongo ungitshelile ukuthi mina ngihlale emzini wakhe and I am working for inkampani yakhe. Felicia feels so embarrassed. She's like, oh no, I'm so sorry, Sanderson. Gabriel says, ukuthi nginhlekisa mina ebantwini la ngaphandle. I shouldn't have listened to you. When we got married, I shouldn't have came and stayed by this house and then ngisebenzele ikampani kabongo. And then anyway, Felicia is feeling bad there, and then Gabriel kisses her and he leaves like that. Guys, remember, this is the previous episode, Wendy said ukuthi ingane izonqatshelwa in this yard while Gabriel is gone. Indaba zakhe like zizomfica kuphi. Imagine what must Felicia do nendaba engaka. But anyway, we will see that play out in this episode, you guys. But the thing that annoys me with Felicia is that Felicia and her daughter are not seeing ukuthi Gabriel is here to steal ilifa likabongo. He's here to steal the legacy that they've built, or the father, the late husband, has built for his family. But Felicia's busy totosaring this man's empty ego. Okay, next scene we see Ishmael. He's walking, I don't know ubuyapi, angithi bahlala estradeni. So when he's going to the corner la yena no Fistosi normally sleeps, he sees there's nothing, guys. Nothing, not umatras ama cardboard wabo that they sleep on the floor is gone. Literally yabo, his guitar that he uses to sing, everything is gone. Ishmael starts panicking, and I'm just like, my gosh, are you telling me Ugutu Fistos ran away? Because the previous episode, Ishmael and was singing, and they made a lot of money, and they were happy with Bayotengum Kuku and whatnot. Next thing, guys, Ugutu Fistos ran away with the money. I was feeling so sorry for Ishmael, guys. I'm like, I really hope sisters did not do him dirty like that, because I love the bromance. I love the relationship that those two have. Next scene, girl, we see Wendy. She's having a meeting with the family, and she's telling the family. Remember previous episode, she was telling her daughters. Now she's telling her family, ingane yongwakenwa by his rightful home. The family is surprised, and they're like, hi, both Wendy. You called us 8 years ago, and you said, now are you willing to suffer the consequences of revealing the secret? And he's like, hey, mina ngikhathele. Lo muntu, ubaba wale ngane, has been in and out here. He must finally take responsibility of being the father of this child. I don't care of the consequences. Angimsabi, we are going to do this thing. The elders are asking Uchi, did you speak with the mother of the child? And he's like, listen, we are the elders. Whether Maruna agrees with this or not, sizoyenza lento, ngiyanitshela, ngiseyenike. A few moments later, Wendy's telling the daughters, today's the day, guys. Are you guys ready? We're taking the funeral parlor Nati. We are going to deliver umzimbale wakikaba. Actually, what Tabete because that's Tabete's house. Anyway, Umaruna's still begging her mother. She's like, Ma, please don't do this. Like, I'm gonna lose my contract in Ini. Wendy's like, no, you are the face of Genesis. They're not going to do that. I need to free you, Maruna, from this thing. And I need to free Upila. Upila can't be buried in such a secret. obviously Mpumi, I don't know if Mpumi is jealous of the fact that maybe Maruna is the one who got successful. Because I just find her offish. Mpumi is like, yeah, ma, alright, vela sien lapo. Maruna's begging her mother. And is like, listen, this is final. This is gonna happen, you guys. And Maruna can see there's nothing that she can do at this point. Next scene that we see Ishmael is walking on the streets, he's asking people around ukuthi animbonanga uFistos. He bumps into uFistos. He holds uFistos ngama-washing and he's like, wena uyibhemile imali yethu? Did you smoke our money? Iphi imali ini? uFistos is so chilled, uyahleka guys. He's like, wena, like just calm down. I have a surprise for you. Takes him, athi ngilandele guys, uFistos uthenge umkhukhu. Yeah, it was such a beautiful thing. When they got there, he said, surprise. Ishmael was so happy. He saw a poster. Yeah, Sfiso Nglane, because it looks like Sfiso Nglane is his someone he looks up to when it comes to gospel music. Yo, guys, what uFistos did, that was so sweet, you guys. They were so happy with it. Finally, an upgrade from the streets, you guys, to Izozo Labo. I was so happy for them. Next scene there we see Noah and Nobuhle. Nobuhle is the older. She's one of Felicia's children. So Felicia has 3 children. She has Ubonko, then she has Nobuhle, which is the girl, and then she has the last born, which is Noah. These 2 old ones are Tabetes, and then the last one, Noah, is Inganek, that Gabriel. So anyway, Unobuhle is dropping Unokuzana Noah off. They're coming from school practice or soccer practice, but she can see what Noah Ziba, he's acting offish. So she stops him. She's like, Uzibelani, what's wrong? Noah starts saying, this is my first practice without Upila. Am I ever gonna see him again? Shame, guys. Noah's really struggling to accept that his best friend is gone. In my head, I'm just like, if only Shame you knew Uguti, the bond or the reason why Nabeno Pila had such a strong bond was not just because they were friends, but because they were brothers, or they are brothers, you guys. But Nobuhle tries to cheer up her brother. She's like, listen, we are all going to go to heaven one day. Upila is in a good place. Let's go out. Let's go and get some ice cream, but make sure you don't tell your dad. So then she does that for her younger brother. Then Gabriel, he decides to make a stop before he goes on his business trip. He decides to go to the street where Ishmael sings. He finds Ishmael singing. He gets out of the car, called to Ishmael, and he's like, yes, ngiyayithanda le ngoma uyiculayo. Ishmael's like, I'm not done writing it and in. And then Ulokuzana, Gabriel takes out his business card. He gives it to Ishmael, and he tells him, come to this address on this card, Monday, 2 p.m., don't be late. Guys, could this be Ishmael's breakthrough? I am so happy for him to get a breakthrough, but just to think the toxicity that he's going to be working under with this man. Now my question is, because Uwendi is so adamant of taking Maruna's secret out, is it that Maruna's contract is going to be cancelled and then Ishmael's going to become like the new star of Genesis Records? Asazi, you guys. Yeah. Last scene, guys. We just seen that van that carries the body, guys, driving into the Tabete drive yard. We just Isebenza lapha, and one of the helpers just saying, Bo, like to say, Bo, what is a coffin doing here? We saw Felicia running out. Next thing, Wendy gets out of the car. Mpumi gets out of the car. Felicia's like, Bo, Wendy, why are you bringing the body here? Mpumi, what's going on? Why are you bringing the body here? Everyone's quiet, you guys. The family gets out of the car. They're just standing there while Felicia memes lan. And then the scene ends like that. Guys, we're gonna have to wait for Monday to hear what's what. I'm just like, we busy because listen, Gabriel threatened her. What if she takes out the secret? Maruna buphelile guy. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.